Hey, what's up everyone, Mr. Fox here. In this video I will show you how I designed and 3D printed a bicycle wall mount. As you can see, that's my Trials bike hanging on the wall there, and it's holding by this hook that I just 3D printed and mounted to the board. So it holds by these two screws and it's quite sturdy. I can even tuck on it and it just flexes a little bit, but all in all holds up nicely. So I designed it in Fusion. I will show you a few steps how I did it, and then just 3D printed on my P1S Bamboo 3D printer. So yeah, let's get started. I start the modeling process by creating just some simple geometry like circles and a rectangle. Then I add some dimensions and extrude the main hook portion of the model. Then I create another sketch to make the base, extrude that and add some fillets. I add a big fillet to the connection point, and the next thing to do is to create those ribs. I create 3 ribs by extruding them, and this will make the hook stiffer. The last thing to do is add the mounting holes for the screws, so just a few circles and extrude them, and I also make space for the screw heads. And that's it. The whole model took me around 10 minutes to model. So I imported the model into Bamboo Studio and I am going to print it like this because I want this hook part to be the strongest in this position. So I choose just the PLA basic plastic, and the layer height is like maximum that I can print, 0.28. And here I increase the wall loops to 4, and the infill type is gyroid, and I set it to 90%, so almost full. And let's see how that looks. And also, of course, the supports are needed, just the regular supports. And if I zoom in, you can see the gyroid pattern is almost like a solid print. The print time here is 4 hours, 53 minutes, and material usage is 124 grams, so not too bad. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you want to learn more about product design and part design and 3D printing, then check out my beginner course at junglecad.com. See ya!